Hi guys, this is Reggie. Today I want to do a open box for Kuuk stainless steel vacuum food containers and explain why I choose this product among many of the others. So let's open it up. Okay, first I got this bag, small bag, and I have this big bag. There is a button here. This is to release the hot air inside. A small jar. A medium jar. And another small jar. Okay, for $35 I get all of this. That's exactly what I like about this product. Especially I like their thermal resistant bag, and I have two of them. And it's convenient for me to carry my food around. So why do I choose this stainless steel containers instead of plastic food containers? That's because steel definitely lasts longer than plastic. The second reason that I chose this product because I like its wide opening and shallow depth design, because it's easier for me to take my food out. Some container has a very narrow openings, so and a big depths. I think it's not convenient for me to get my food out. The last reason that I like this product because this product, as you can see, I could put lots of food inside, and I do eat a lot for my lunch. I could put rice in this medium jar and another dish into these two small jars, and a soup in this big jar. So I will show you one example that I'm going to take to work for my lunch. So this is my typical lunch. 2 eggs with 2 tomatoes and some onion, some green onion there, and rice. I'm gonna to package this. Okay, everything settled in this small bag, and get ready to work. Thank you. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.